Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Tech Steps. Today, I'm going to show you how to check if your Windows 11 computer is running a 64-bit or 32-bit operating system. This is a super simple but very important step to ensure your computer can run the right software. Let's get started. First, move your mouse to the Start icon at the bottom left corner of the screen, or press the Windows key on your keyboard. Next, select Settings from the list of applications. When the Settings window opens, go to the left-hand column and select System. Scroll down and click on About at the bottom of the list. In the Device Specifications section, look for the System Type line. If it says 64-bit operating system, your computer is running Windows 11 64-bit. If it says 32-bit operating system, your computer is running Windows 11 32-bit. Pretty easy, right? If you're not comfortable using the Settings menu, here's another way to check. First, press the Windows plus S keys to open the search bar, or you can click on the magnifying glass icon on the taskbar. Then, type System Information and press Enter. When the System Information window opens, look for the System Type line. If it says x64-based PC, your computer is running Windows 11 64-bit. If it says x86-based PC, your computer is running Windows 11 32-bit. And that's it. I've just shown you two simple ways to check if your Windows 11 is running a 64-bit or 32-bit operating system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to Easy Tech Steps for more awesome tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.